Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix earbuds automatically starts or pause music. So you have to start by open the application. Now we should have, click on your headphones here and go to update and check if you have the last version of the software update. If it didn't help you, also we can check it for the player. So let's say if you use Spotify, so firstly try to remove it from the cache, maybe it also help you, and open it again and check the application. Also, if it didn't help you, I recommend it to go to the App Store and check if you have the last version of the application. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. So open settings, go to Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. And now, put your earbuds to the charging case and press and hold this connection button until this LED light starts flashing red. Here we go. Now release your finger and we should remove earbuds from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. And now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.